Hello! In this video I'm going to show you how to change the ringtone on your LENOVO K5 Play. To start out, you want to enter contacts. Here, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, tap Settings, here Sounds and Vibration. Now you can change the ringtone to whatever you like from this list. You can also enable vibrations for calls and keypad tones. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.